Hello, this is September 14th, 2020 lesson for cores 1, 2, and 3. This is for Monday, September 14th, 2020. So I'm going to click in whatever class I'm in, and I am going to go over to modules. And I want to focus my attention on week of 914, Unit 1, Close Reading, Part 1, Understanding Close Reading. So I want to start with the engage. And it'll say respond. Do you think you are a good reader? If so, what do you do that makes you a good reader? If not, what can make you a better reader? I will click in the reply and I will type a response, and then I will click post reply. I will read my other classmates' responses, and then I will click next. This is the learning target, what I'm going to be learning in this lesson. So in this lesson, we will discuss what good readers do and how the steps of good readers are similar to the steps of many other activities. In this unit, we will learn how to think deeper and look at text closely to gain a deeper understanding of it. My learning target is by the end of today's lesson, I will learn what close reading means by examining details, and I will show this by responding to a discussion post and replying to at least one classmate. On the agenda is a Nearpod and a discussion. So if I missed live Zoom, I'm going to click here. It's going to open up the Nearpod for me, and I'm going to join with my name, and I'm going to join the lesson, and I am able to go through the lesson as I please. Once I'm done, I will go back. I will go through the entire lesson. So I will click through, answering the questions that it's asking me to answer, reading the directions. And once I have gone through the entire Nearpod, I'll answer the poll. Copy this chart down. Answer another poll. And once I get through the entire Nearpod, I will go back and then I will click next. Now that we've learned about close reading, it's time to reflect on your strengths and opportunity areas as a reader. Below in a single text box, please answer the following questions. There are 4 questions here, 2 questions split up into 2 parts. Which part of the reading process do you normally have the most trouble with? How do you think you can improve your skill at this? Which part of the reading process do you normally have success with? Why do you think you are successful with this? After responding to those 4 questions, I'm going to post my reply, and I'm going to look for a classmate who has trouble in an area where I am successful. And I'm going to reply to them one helpful tip on how to be a better reader. So I'm going to click, I'm going to write my response, I'm going to post reply, and then I'm going to look for a classmate who has trouble in an area where I am successful and give them one helpful tip. And that helps me reach my learning target. And then I will take the quiz, which is matching based off of that chart that I copied from the Nearpod. I will submit the quiz. After I submit the quiz, I will click next. And that is the end of today's lesson.